Alright, today we're working underneath the hood of Chubb's here. We're doing something that's should have been done a long time ago, but I neglected to do it. It actually caused me not to be able to drive out of the last car show I was at because we're doing a new battery. What happened was my battery mount that I kind of did was just to get it going. Should have been changed way quicker than I did. I didn't, and the battery slid into the pulley, and then the constant stop, start, trying to get at the car show, I wore out the rest of the power that I had in the battery, and it didn't start again. So, I actually got a battery that's the correct one to fit in the Buick, because they're long and narrow, and I got some metal and hardware so that way I can mount it properly. And then I'm going to clean up the quick wiring job I did at the car show for the electric fan since I lost the fan. I was overheating, so I had to do electric fan. Make sure you stick around to the end. I do have something special planned to share with you. I think any old car person should know this trick and tip, but it'll be at the end, so you'll have to stay there to the end. Make sure you like and subscribe, and let's get this battery mounted. Alright, so now that we used our fancy Dollar Tree awesome, got this area all cleaned up, we'll get the battery set in here. We'll mock up some ways how we're going to mount it down, and then we're going to get her nice gear, and then we're going to take care of my car show wiring job. So, I'll be right back. Alright, so what we're going to do is basically take this flat bar, turn it into a U shape so it sinks down onto the battery. And then we're going to add another piece that comes up that we can bolt to this fender. And it should hold it nice and tight and down. And there is these little tabs in the battery tray to keep the battery from sliding around. So that should be enough to hold it. And, you know, this thing's a powerhouse, so, you know, it could rip out of there, but it probably won't. Looking pretty good. Fits like a glove. Time to make the little other bracket. I go grab my angle grinder real quick, so we'll be back. Alright, so I'm sure you guys are going to say something about me welding on top of this battery, but the battery's disconnected, so it's not connected to anything at all. It's not grounded to the car. It's not, the positive not connected. I'm just going to do a couple tacks to get the thing set up, and then I'm going to pull it out and weld it on a table. But yeah, get ready to get mad. And of course the gas didn't work. Look at that. It worked. I'm just tacking this because I straw it on the other side and I want it to look nice. All right, so we're gonna get it drilled now. Well, that's lame. There it goes. Smart way to do this is to bolt it down or clamp it down, but we got no time for that. I'm using a step bit so that way it gradually becomes the right size. So let's get it cleaned off now. And I'm just going to hit this with clear coat. I'm going to leave it just with the metal on it. I want it to look natural and raw. Kind of rat roddy. All right, so my welder kind of spit out a little extra wire. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take it and twist it around it instead of wasting this wire. That way I can hold it and spray it outside. That way I don't get any clear coat on any of these cars in here. I mean, I really don't care if I got clear coat on Chubb's Special, but I don't want to get clear coat on my dad's 55 or his 56 because he might be mad, and I would be mad too if I got it on there. I'd be mad at myself. We're going to let it dry. Then we're going to drill the hole and put it in, and we're almost done. All right, so it's all done. It's installed. As you can see, it is just installed. I need to fix the wire still, clean that up. I'm going to get to that in a second, but it is in there. It's not going to come out. So, and I like it with the steel look. But what I was going to tell you at the end of the video, when you have an old car like these, the best stuff you can buy is the Eagle 1. It's great for polishing up the chrome. That's what my dad, Jimmy James Garage, taught me with the chrome, and he always gets complimented on his chrome at the car shows, how nice it is. Even on his patina car, his chrome is just, even when it's old chrome and it's, you know, it was neglected, it is shiny, and you can see right here, it's shiny, and it's dirty right now. He hasn't polished it since last car show season. It's been dirty, it's got dust on it, and it's still freaking top of the line. So if you like the videos, make sure you like and subscribe them and come back. I'm working on getting better and better at the camera skills, but look at that shine. Well, I'm gonna go clean up my mess and get those wires fixed. Bye.